Hey guys, let me show you why your dumpster didn't show up today and why is it your fault. You're not on mainland anymore. You guys know I'm Alejandro. I'm a project manager specializing in FF&E install across the United States, and today I'm in Maui. Working a remote location is not like mainland where you have all the available resources necessary to complete your project. And you have to understand that you're not always gonna have the same timing as far as like pulling your dumpsters in and getting the dumpster placed in time if you don't schedule correctly, and that's super important. Okay, that can be the make it or break it of your project because these dumpsters are expensive. First of all, it's an island with limited resources, so you're looking into spending about $700 to $1,000 per dumpster. And granted, you gotta make sure that each dumpster is the correct one. If it's for furniture, if it's for cardboard only, if it's for plastic only, and if it's like heavy debris, sort of like concrete and type of stuff, they send you a smaller one, so they can load it all. And you have to communicate those things effectively with your vendor, and which comes to my second point, which is it's a small island again with limited resources. There's only two dumpster companies, and there's only two, man. You can't screw it up. So, what helps for me in my experience is to be super nice to the people working in there because the moment you call the dumpster to pick up, it's going to be always the same person. Um, our dumpster is the green one back there that you guys saw. That's from Maui Disposal. They're amazing. Dana and Honesty are in the office, and they're always the same people answering the phone. So when I call them, they see my number. It comes in. They know it's me. So the moment you realize your dumpster is late or it didn't arrive, first of all, you gotta realize it is your fault. You didn't schedule it on time. And second of all, don't go screaming or bringing that negative, you know, attitude into the equation because you are doing yourself more harm than good. They're gonna be the same people. They're not gonna change. They're always the same. It's not like you can request new people or have them fire. Like this is their island, this is their job, and they know how to do it really well. They've been doing it for years. So this is a pro tip. You gotta ask them about any holidays or days that they can't pull. You gotta really get on the phone with them and ask them what are the constraints, and based on your workload, then you have to determine, like, hey, I need to get 3 dumpsters per week or 2 dumpsters per week. Or in some cases, like us, when we have liquidation, I know I gotta get at least 2 dumpsters per day. And I need to know exactly, like, hey, are they able to pull it? Are they able to do that? What are the constraints? Is it cardboard? Is it furniture only? Is it like construction debris? um, and what are the days that they can do it. For instance, here in the island, Tuesdays and Thursdays are the cardboard days, and those are the only days I can load cardboard. So I know Monday night or Wednesday night I gotta fill that dumpster with all the cardboard that I have, or else stage it somewhere to where I can fill out a whole dumpster and I don't get charged, all that amount of money. But it has to be only cardboard, and those are things that you have to inquire about. In mainland, don't matter, throw anything in those cans. They have the people, they have the infrastructure to do it. Over here it's a little bit different. This is Maui, of course, Hawaii. The dumpster, the reason why they do it those specialty days, because they have the recycling center empty for those instances. And you can't mix garbage, because when it goes to the landfill, you can have styrofoam blowing all around the island and then potentially harming the ecosystem. uh, these are things that you have to really consider. So um, if you want to know more of how to calculate the actual cost of missed dumpster pools, I can show you that on the next video. So stay tuned for more information and hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.